So I'm going to change again the last part. Is I prepare to go back to the first part. So you will notice the ending is different to accommodate the transition to the first part that we started with. So I'll do that again. I'll demonstrate the transition. The last part, the transition, and the first part. One last time. Okay, so I know some of you might be wondering, you haven't heard the regular Nhimutimu Kushaura that you know. So I'm going to demonstrate the transition from the parts that we were just playing to that regular Nhimutimu.